everyone, my name is Rahmat Fauzan from the English Education Study Program at Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. In this video, I would like to present an article review entitled Student Strategies in Coping Academic Writing Challenges. This article was written by Muhammad Harun, Hana Hairunisa, Bunga, and I am Rahmat Fauzan. Under the supervision of Sir Gatot Subroto from Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. In this review, I will discuss 1. The background and objective of the study. 2. The research methodology. 3. The main findings. 4. The discussion and contribution. 5. The strength and limitation of the study. 6. And finally, I brief the conclusion. Number 1. Background of the study. The author began by emphasizing that academic writing is one of most challenging skills for AFL undergraduate student. Unlike speaking or listening, academic writing does not only require grammatical accuracy but also critical thinking, logical organization of ideas, coherence and cohesion, and understanding of academic convention. In the university context, students are expected to write essays, report, and research paper, which often create anxiety and pressure. Many EFL students struggle with generating and developing ideas, organizing ideas coherently, interference from their first language, low motivation and lack of writing and confidence, and the last most students mainly focus on linguistic error and teaching methods such as grammar correction or instructional purpose. However, students on coping strategies in dealing with academic writing challenges have received less attention. Because of the research gap, the author argued that it is important to explore how students themselves cope with writing difficulties, not only what error they make. Number 2, objective of the study. Based on this background, the study has 3 main objectives. 1. To identify the major problems students face in academic writing. 2. To explore the strategies students use to cope with these difficulties. 3. To examine the relationship between copying strategies and student writing performance. The study is grounded with 2 major theories. Socio-cognitive theory of writing by Flower 1994, self-regulating learning theory by Zimmerman 2000. These theories view writing as a process that involves cognitive, metacognitive, and affective dimension. Third or 3, research methodology. This study employs a mixed method research design, combine quantitative and qualitative approaches. The participant were 24 undergraduate students from the English Education Study Program at Universities Maritim Raja Ali Haji, mainly from the 5th and 7th semester. Sampling technique, the researchers used purposive sampling selection students who had already completed academic writing course. Data collection instrument, 2 main instruments were used: a Likert scale questionnaire to identify academic writing problem and coping strategies. Open-ended question to explore student personal experience in more depth. Data collection procedure, and the data were collected through an online Google form during October 2025. This mixed method design allow the research to capture both statistical pattern and rich personal perspective from students. Number 4, main finding. The findings showed that most students experience significant difficulties in academic writing. The most frequently report challenges include difficulty expressing and develop ideas, poor organization and lack of cohesion, influence of first language writing patterns, low motivation to write academically. However, there is also revealed that students are not passive learners. They actively employ various coping strategies to deal with these challenges. The most commonly used strategies are process writing strategies such as planning, drafting, revising, and editing. Reading academic journal to enrich ideas and vocabulary. creating outlines and mind maps, seeking feedback from peers and lecturers, reflective self-revision. An interesting and important finding is that many students report using AI tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini to support their writing. Students use these tools for brainstorming ideas, improving grammar and vocabulary, revising sentence structure. This shows that technology has become part of modern academic writing practices. 5. Discussion and contribution. In the discussion section, the authors relate their finding to Flowers' socio-cognitive theory of writing and Zimmerman's self-regulate learning theory. The findings support the first hypothesis, which states that students who use metacognitive and self-regulate learning strategies are better able to overcome academic writing challenges. The study also support the second hypothesis show that student attitudes, motivation, and confidence mediate the effectiveness of their coping strategies. One major contribution of this article is its recognition of AI tools as legitimate support system in academic writing. The author argued that students are developing a hybrid cognitive technological model of writing where traditional strategies and digital tools work together. This perspective is highly relevant in today's academic environment. 6. Strength and limitation. Strength of the study. Some strength of this article include the use of a mixed method approach, integration of cognitive, affective, and technological perspective, high relevant to EFL context, especially in Indonesia, and the last limitation of the study. However, the study also has some limitation. A relative small sample size, relation on self-reports data, no experimental interpretation to measure causal effectiveness. The author recommend future research with large sample and experimental design. In the conclusion, and or the last, in conclusion, in this demonstrate that academic writing difficulties among EFL students are multidimensional. They involve linguistic factor, cognitive process, affective elements such as motivation and confidence. Students actively cope with these challenges by using cognitive strategies, metacognitive regulation, social interaction, and technological tools, including AI. Overall, this study provides a valuable insight for educators by highlighting the importance of strategy-based writing interaction, self-regulated learning, and ethical digital literacy in academic writing. Okay, that's it's my article review presentation. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.